Testing, testing. I sometimes talk too loud. How's this, Richard? Not screaming? Okay. Ready. Hello, everybody. For the new people, I'm Dr. Gary Altheim. I'm the founder and executive director of Growth and Development Services. GDS has 3 different programs. Lanish, the amazing Lanish, just discussed one of them. It's the Training Institute, where we go in and train hundreds of youth on how to be good leaders and job readiness. Lanish spoke for one of the first times in front of 300 youth, and she rocked the house, so Lanish did a great job. That's our Training Institute. We also have Excel GDS, which Lanish talked more about, and we also have the Community Advocacy Program. So I'm the founder of GDS, and I'm the director of the programs. I'm here tonight to speak for 2 minutes and 30 seconds, if I have that much left, about the Community Advocacy Program. The Community Advocacy Program was created the first time that GDS was wrongfully threatened to be evicted by the Armory Foundation. The Community Advocacy Program is for the continuation, utilization, and creation of most needed programs. Many of you know that we've been wrongfully and unjustly evicted from the Fort Washington Armory, so I want to briefly update you where we're at. First, I also want to thank Community Board 12 because they have been great in helping to pass resolutions and advocate. People try to separate out the 2 issues of the Fort Washington Armory and GDS, but it's very difficult to separate those 2 out because we're clearly being treated unfairly. Most recently, a letter from our lawyer wrote to basically to Martha Calhoun, who evicted us. And Stephen Savek wrote that despite the capricious and arbitrary nature in which GDS and its license was revoked, we would consider peaceably vacatur of the premises should the promises by DHS administrators and other public and city officials to assist GDS in its relocation be fulfilled and an alternate location be secured. Without the promised assistance, GDS is now without a home, without a space, nowhere to provide its services and its assistance, to store its files and its possessions for the first time in 20 years. Despite its many years of services, commitment and assistance provided to the citizens of the neighborhood and throughout the city of New York, GDS has been treated extremely unfairly and truly deserves better. GDS must at least be permitted a reasonable opportunity to secure an alternative space. GDS staunchly opposes this lockout and believes that it was accomplished in bad faith. We believe we've been locked out because we have uncovered the misuse of the overall building of the Fort Washington Armory. Most recently, we have a case open with the Public Advocate's Office, and we're asking for everyone to please help us. Thank you.